Does your child get confused between has, have, and had? Or maybe even you're not always sure. Let's fix this in a simple way. First, understand this. Has, have, and had all show possession. That means something belongs to someone. For example, she has a book. It means the book belongs to her. Now let's make it easy. Has is used with third-person singular. He, she, it. It can also be used when you are referring to someone by name. Have is used with the pronouns I, you, we, they. It can also used with the pluralized nouns. Let's understand this with examples. He has a pet. She has a new dress. The field has been seeded. Now let's look at some examples using have. I have a pencil. We have a farm. The children have lot of homework. Now what about had? Had is simply the past form. So instead of now, we are talking about before. Example. She had a pet. That means she owned it in the past. Now here's something important. These words don't only show possession. They are also used in sentences like, I have finished my homework. He has eaten food. Here has and have help form a complete action. Now let's check your understanding. Question 1. He dash a bike. The correct answer is has. Good job! Question 2. They dash completed the work. The correct answer is have. Well done! Question 3. She dash a headache yesterday. The correct answer is had. Excellent! Now try this sentence in your mind. I dash already finished my work. And comment your answer below.